to have a little surprise for you, right? So guess what we did?
Christmas to we, so very different, you see. It's not about the snowman, mistletoe, or even a tree. It's just our special vibes are in enough love and smiles. Might not have everything together, but together we're all just fine. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. It's that empty and kind of cheer. Spread the joy from near and far. When you like, subscribe and share. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. 'Tis a season to be near. So grab a seat and come back, we have a time. A Merry Mitchell Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good morning. Not sure what's on the agenda for today. As you know, our Monday vlog is always a weekend vlog. It's actually Sunday today. So I think it's a lot of chilling, a lot of relaxing. So yeah, we'll see how today goes. I already saw this Bubba today.
Look so right.
You watching the bikes? Yes, I see that. You want a bike? You don't want a bike? Okay, I love you.
I love you.
Take out the susu and give me a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Take out the susu. Take out the susu. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss no man. Love you.
Car.
And then this guy's eating. What you eating? Ooh, fried dumpling. Yummy. You slept well?
Yep.
Yeah. She made some dumpling. Oh, they're still hot and nice. And some callaloo over here. Yummy. Jackson, well, we already saw each other this morning. How did you sleep?
It was good.
Him and his father finished a game last night. They've been playing this game for how long would you say you've been playing the game now?
Maybe like everyone? Or just not?
No, just like you and Daddy. Has it been like 4 or 5 days?
No. It'd be like, I don't know, 3 or 2 weeks.
No, not that long. And you guys made it. You've made it to the end.
Yeah.
Amazing. Good job.
Eating the 2 dumplings.
Look who eating up him callaloo.
2 or 3. There
Oh, him gone off 5 dumpling.
No, not so much.
4 at least.
4.
Oh, that's one way to do it, Ozzy. Oh, so good for you.
Right.
So good for you. Wayne just told me some throat feels scratchy, so I squeezed a lime in here. Momo, I laugh. And so I'm just gonna do a little honey and some rum. I normally do a little white rum, but I don't have any white rum. So I kind of did the same amount basically. Just about to there. And then I do some rum. I'm going to feel like a buzzy, but he'll feel good after that. No scratchy throat business round here. Trust me, we feel right as rain after this. We're just lying down in bed. With my little bestie. I love you. You play with the remote. Take out the susu and say, love you.
I love you.
Love you too.
I love you. I love you too.
You guys okay?
Yeah,
How is that scratchy throat?
feels better with the liquor concoction when you make.
Haha.
Jackson was quizzing me how it tastes, I said it liquor sweet, it liquor sour, and liquor rummy.
I was like, I like how you describe it.
I really hope you're in the shot, guys.
And then I made a song for it. Honey and lime, it make you feel fine. If you take it on time, then you move up the line. Jackson said you did not just make that up. But I did.
How do you guys feel about a barbecue
Are you
today?
looking for
Yes, put it on the side for me.
I feel like Iron Man.
I'm ready. Long time we don't barbecue.
Even with the scratchy throat, you can do it.
Hello. We don't have the scratchy throat, but listen. Me run things don't run me, you know.
So that means I have to go supermarket then, because I don't think I have enough chicken.
Yeah.
And I'll make a potato salad. So we're going to barbecue today then, yeah? Wait, now doing me for coal.
You know, can buy a bag of coal. Coal supposed to do them, man, but make a check same way. Barbecue.
Barbecue. Barbecue. Barbecue. Barbecue. Barbecue. Barbecue. Barbecue. So excited that you're grilling. Can't wait. I feel like we haven't done this in a long time.
Good look what?
We buy all the tambourine ball and we make the tambourine chicken and we just damn all the tambourine ball. Does this make sense, people? This morning I had a bit of a moment with Atlas. You know when the plane just turned to it just go over the line. 1 minute you're playing, you're having fun, and the next minute it just goes to, I don't know how else to put it, just goes to crap. That's the truth. And I got upset with Atlas, and I was just like, Atlas, X, Y, Z, blah, 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 Anyway, so Jackson is sitting on beside me now, and he's going to me, alright, mommy, don't worry, mommy. I know you're frustrated. I said, I am frustrated, sometimes it's frustrating, you talk and you talk and you talk, and it's just frustrating. Hear him, Timmy Wayne. This child. Mom, you just have to remember we all come with different presets. Presets. Where you come from, people?
No, I'm away with words,
And he said it, and it all of a sudden I was just like, it's true.
Yeah.
Now nobody is the same. Just because one child was a little more easy to communicate with, or you got through to them a little easier, doesn't mean that that's how it's always done. And even us, we come with different presets.
Yeah.
But it's just the way him say it. I was just like, and in the moment it's what I needed to hear.
Yeah.
I needed to hear that because just what I needed to hear. Well, I'm grateful.
7 different brothers, 7 different minds.
I was grateful to have Jackson there in that moment to just be like, come on, mom. Wise.
Jackson in the easy,
Wise.
Let's have a way with words. Boy.
And don't get it twisted. Atlas has those moments where he says very profound things to me. And I'm like, huh?
Yeah.
Like, where did that come from? And he is such a questioning mind. He has so many questions.
Yeah.
And God knows I try to answer all of them. Because I love that about him. And he can be so kind as well,
how I know he thinks? You can't shortchange him. He always know, hey, but this is not fair because of such and such, and he will say it.
Oh, I'm glad you mentioned that. So he has a little truck. I'm going to show you how he is. He has a little truck that was given to him at class by Maddie, my love. And Oz take on to this truck. So every time I say Oz do this, and I know it's unfair, I'm always like, Atlas, please, just give Ozzy the truck. And he always concedes, but it makes him upset, And I'm constantly trying to say, boy, I'm sorry, but you have all these other things you want to play. And a lot of times Atlas just take it because him know Ozzy want it, right? So there's that. Anyway, the other day, him come to me and say, because I said, please, Atlas, just give Ozzy the truck. And he looked at me and he gave it to him. I went in the bathroom to shower and I just hear somebody knocking on the door. I need to speak to you, Atlas. I said, what happened? I am not very appreciative of this. I said, what? Him say, that is my truck? It is my truck and I have to keep giving it to us? He goes, do you know that you didn't give me the truck? Daddy didn't give me the truck. Jackson didn't give me the truck. Maddie gave me the truck. Madison gave me that truck. And I don't ever get to play with it. And in that moment I had to say to him, you know what, son, you are right. You're so right. And you know what? We're gonna do this differently, and I'm so sorry.
Man, I plead him case, boss.
And he was correct. I never expect it to tell the truth.
No, man,
But that's the thing, you know, you have these moments, and like I said, you know, I always talk about me and Atlas bumping heads, but me and Jackson bump heads too. Me and us bump heads too. It's just part of life.
True.
But it's nice to know that our kids will advocate for each other, advocate for themselves, and also try to console us, the parents, sometimes. Anyway, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. So my brother sent me a picture in the family chat today of his lunch, and he made like a, well, basically I saw it and I fell for it, so when I went to the supermarket I picked up the ingredients for it, so let me show you. So it maybe doesn't look appetizing, but it's basically just some tomatoes, some mozzarella pearls. I didn't have any other mozzarella, some pesto, basil pesto, some balsamic salt and some salt and pepper, and that's it. You can do it with bread or without bread, but this is just how I felt for it. A little snack. Hey, Rod comes here today, Daddy.
You come to Bubsy? You come Bubsy? Come. Come, put your hand here. No. Put back, hold your foot. Put your hand right here, son.
Thank God, Mr. Dixon built me one strong grill.
Go point here.
I remember climbing the grills when I was little. It was my favorite thing ever. All right, Ozzy Boozy! You made it to level 2! You made it to level 2!
Nice. Come on, nice. All right. Hold your son now. Go down with the next hand now.
Yay!
Oh,
Yay!
good boy.
Woo! Yeah! Guys, it was so yummy. I had to make more, and I made some for Pops. He's never had it. Tastes good, right, Daddy? It's an interesting flavor profile.
I had it with you already someplace. I don't remember where it was.
Yeah, probably. A caprese salad. It's nice.
It was the same tomato and some other things on it, but I had this with you. I don't remember where it
We always order it, so I don't know where either. But I'm
I
glad
don't
you
know,
like
it was a
it.
hotel or somewhere.
Yeah, and it's easy to make.
Or somewhere like on Cork we went and
Maybe. Or maybe we had a bruschetta. Yeah. This is nice on...
this was a slice of cheese that was
right.
so great.
Yeah. And you can have it on like a baguette, and it's really good.
This is good.
Yeah. I don't remember if I showed you guys this very cool gadget that I got, but if you're like me, I hate to peel garlic. So basically, what you can do now, it's this thing. It's from, I think, OXO, and it's so cool. If you hate to peel garlic like me, this is going to be the best thing of your life. So you just cut off the bottom of the garlic like this. Like this.
What are you taping?
I'm just showing everybody how I peel garlic. And I've never tried it with more than one, so I don't want to flop myself. So let me just do one first. You just put it inside like this, and then you just roll. And then skedaddle. There it is. Let's try two. I've never tried two. Okay, it works better with one, because you can make contact with it easier. Oh my goodness, best thing ever. Look at that, guys. Can't say me never teaching you nothing. I'm gonna start it off, okay? So we have our chicken in here, and we're just going to
Stir it up.
rub it up. And you're gonna help me. Give me 1 second. Let me just incorporate all of this first, okay? Good job, Alice.
Oh my god, chicken!
Yeah, but put it in here and rub it up. Right. Rub it up. Oh, I know what I'm forgetting. My jerk seasoning. Let me put some jerk seasoning. All right, good job, Atlas. Thank you. All right, let's get those gloves on. All right, so there it is. We just added a little Grace jerk seasoning to it, my little secret ingredient. As you can see, everything is on it. We tasted it. It's nice and well seasoned. We added a little tip more salt, like I said, than we normally do, because we don't have all night to soak in, so that it will be perfect. All right.
Bye. Here, Daddy. Here.
Put that down. Put that down. I'm gonna reach this yet, bro. I have to set up the grill first. Hey, I have to set up the grill before
Just
it reaches.
home, Daddy.
Come tears are previous. You hungry? Him just love. Let me tell you about Atlas. Him just love to take part in the setting up. Him love when the fire light. Him love prepping the food. Everything, the whole process of the barbecue. Him into it. What's your one eye? Yo, Atlas him a follow.
Mommy, come, Daddy. Come, Daddy.
What you want to do?
Come on.
Where we going?
Come on.
Where we going?
Come on.
Tell me now.
Come, Daddy.
Where we going?
Come on. Come.
I'm still brother.
No, yeah. Quickly,
You want to set up the barbecue?
yes, sir.
See your face?
Right there. Awesome.
What you guys on a boat?
No. I'm working out on a boat.
Oh, you're working out on your yacht?
I'm working out on a boat.
Okay.
Daddy.
Excitement. Wow.
Daddy, I'm looking.
Careful, boys.
I'm looking. I'm here.
In case you're wondering how we get the shot sometimes. Big up a cameraman.
Money shot that there. Family later.
Ooh, that smells so good. Yo, when the bear hit the fire though, bro. He said, thank me later.
Watch him now.
What is this?
Watch my boy I cut 10 like mommy. You know easy.
Atlas got a little boy foot cock.
You know easy.
Okay. Atlas,
Mommy
don't forget
boy,
your
nah.
water bottle out here, you hear? I don't want you to forget it. Keep it down, Baba. Keep it down. No. Don't turn it over.
Don't turn it over. Don't turn it over.
Hey, listen up. Listen up. Or you have to go inside if you're not going to listen. Which is it? You going to listen or are you going inside? Listen. Well, put it down.
No, Spanish Town. Who remember that, people?
Me.
Who remember that? No, Spanish Town.
You're going to get a meeting upside down.
I said they go?
Yes.
And then the next one they go, so suck it all the way to Mexico if you can. You don't remember that one there? Oh, that one they go.
Underwear.
I have a next one they go, nah, nanny boo boo. No, I think that one that they done this, so we don't know. Alright guys, remember I told you that I have a little surprise for you, right? So guess what we did? You see, because it's the season to be merry and the season for giving, guess what? We ordered 2 big bag of merchandise, MTM. This is just for the first cousin them, the real MTM family them. If you guys see us anytime in December, for the month of December, anytime you guys see us and you say,
And you're gonna see us. We saw our first cousin up to today.
you are going to see us because we're going out and about, right? If you guys say Merry Mitchell Christmas, you guys get a piece of merch. And if it's 3 of you,
Each
all
of you.
3 of you getting a piece of merch. First cousins, it's a Merry Mitchell Christmas. Yes, here at last. So guys, you hear that?
Sorry, it's just for everybody in Jamaica.
Yeah, I mean, or if you're coming to Jamaica, or yeah.
So if you bump into us, just say it to us, and we're literally, Wayne and I just said we're gonna keep them in the car. So if we're together and you see us together, say Merry Mitchell Christmas and you will have merch.
Exactly.
So
tell a first cousin
hope we
to
have
tell
your
another
size.
first cousin. Yeah, and even if we don't have your size, we probably are gonna have
Yeah.
your niece size or your cousin
Or
size or
somebody size.
somebody's
So
size.
even if
mommy
you're,
size.
even if you you need to tell other people, so if they see us, even if they're not first cousins, hold on, Atlas. Even if they're not first cousins, they're gonna know. You know, some my friend is a first cousin. Let me
Yeah.
go say Merry Mitchell Christmas
Christmas.
and get them something.
Yeah, a nice.
Everybody is balling out for dinner.
All right, now bro.
All right, come in.
Okay.
It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. It's a season to be.
Wow.
Near.
You messed up the first two lines.
Something near and far. When you like, subscribe, and share. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. 'Tis a season to be near. So grab a seat and come make we have a vibes. A Merry Christmas, a Merry Mitchell Christmas, and a Happy New Year. You said it. Somebody said my porridge done the place. It's just a natural vibe. Porridge.
Porridge.